Hey y'all, what's up? Y'all, let's use Deco sign 713. This says, get your fancy fat pants ready. All right, so we're gonna use our 10-inch mesh, just like we would with 21-inch, doing our little poofs. Throw it on the floor, fold over that cut edge, curl in both sides, and pinch it off. All right, see how it wants to curl in by itself? Like they have that natural little bump in it? That's what we want. All right, let's get that tied off. Get it nice and twisted. All right, now we're gonna take our mesh, we're gonna let those pieces curl under. We're gonna measure out about 10 inches, and we're gonna make our little poofs all the way around. Y'all, because I'm using only 10-inch, and you can see that it's not going to give us quite as full coverage as our normal 21-inch, I'm going to go ahead and do poofs on the top and the bottom. Y'all, I'm fluffing them out as I go. 10 inches all the way around. All right, so you can see like that's not looking too spiffy. So I just wanted to get the base color of the orange so that we'll get like the little pops of orange color to bring out the orange that's in the turkey. Y'all, we're gonna start with 10 pieces total at 30 inches, 5 of each color. So we're going to take our 30-inch ruffle. We're going to curl it twice on each end. Then we're going to just ruffle it right down the middle. And we're going to add one of these 30-inch ruffles all the way around to the very bottom. We're just going to add those 30-inch ruffles all the way around. See how we just got that little pop of orange in there? Y'all, and we curl those edges just a little bit. That way the cut ends where all the fray happens gets tucked away. So we've got our 30-inch ruffles all added. Now we're going to cut some 20-inch ruffles for the top. So we need 8 total for this frame. Then we're going to take the 21-inch. We're going to curl each edge just once. Then we're going to ruffle it right down the middle and add that all the way around the center. Curl each in, give it a little ruffle. All right, making sure we just get a little bit of that pop of orange in there. Now, look how fun that is with just those little pops of orange in there. Let's get our sign ready. We're going to add a little dap of dap at the top, a little bit at the bottom, a little bit on both sides. All right, get these mounted on here. Then I just take my little glue gun and I caulk those edges. Then we're just going to take our little pipe cleaner. All right. Now we're just going to put this off to the side while we make our bow. All right, so let's start with our 4-inch here. We're going to measure out about 12 inches. Give it a good pinch. I do like the way that it behaves. So it's got a satin look, but it behaves like canvas ribbon. Is it raining here? No, but the AC is running because it's Louisiana and we fat, friend. We gotta have the AC going. So let's go with a solid black. So our animal print has a little bit of gold in it, and our other blue one has a little bit of gold in it. So we're going to use this one from the September box. So we're going to add a 4-inch right in the middle of our bow. Y'all, I'm going to be honest, I don't love this ribbon. It's very weak. I'm going to sneak in a little bit of the orange. Y'all, now I'm going to bring in a ribbon from the bottom back to the top, right? So we use this one as the very first loop. I'm going to bring it right up to the top. All right, y'all, then we're going to use this bright orange as our center loop. We got a big old bow. We're going to lift it off our bow maker. This one's thick. All right, so I'm going to use my 2 fingers back here to hold it and my thumb. Give it a good squeeze. And tie it off. Let's get our sign added. So we're just going to run our pipe cleaner right through the frame. Wrap that pipe cleaner right around the frame. All right, we're going to get this. Y'all, I want to make sure it's near the sign, but not covering the sign. So now we're going to add our ribbon tails. So we're going to need to start with at least 10 sets of tails. So let's just cut those at 13 inches. So we cut 10 of each of our ribbon tails. Fold it in half. Open it back up. Then ruffle it right down the middle. It should perk up like that. Fold those 2 in side to side. And then add those all the way around. All right, and then all we do is separate those tails once it's added so that it looks just like that. I do not open my twist at all. Now, look around that sign. See how we can still see the undergarments? We don't want that. So we're going to add some ribbon tails there. But I personally think that if we add the 4-inch up here, it might be a little too heavy. So I'm going to do it with the 2 1.5-inch ones. So the 1.5-inch is the same material and color as the 4-inch. So I'm just going to put 1.5-inch up here at the top. Let's do 4. So they're going to be 13 inches as well. So now we're going to get a little bit of that ribbon color at the top, but it's not going to be so heavy with that 4-inch. Y'all, now we got to clean up our bow. So we're just going to start dovetailing these. Look how pretty.